Hey guys! Today, we're gonna show you how to make and add an end screen to your YouTube videos. Simple and easy. This video consists of 3 parts. 1. Why to add an end screen. 2. How to make an end screen. 3. How to add an end screen. Let's get to the first part. Why we need to add an end screen. Number 1. Get more views for your other videos. Number 2. Get more subscriptions for your channel. Number 3. Collaborate with other YouTubers to get more views and subscriptions. Since adding an end screen on a video is important to get more views and subscriptions, let's find out how to make an end screen template. Part 2. How to make an end screen. The first step is to add background from the resource. Then add a background for the end screen card and adjust its size and position. If we want to put 2 videos, we can duplicate the white background and adjust its position. Now, choose the text template you like. Move it to the right position, enter your text, adjust the font, size, and color. Or you can also choose your favorite text style and text animation. Next, add animation elements and adjust its size and position. Add background material to the subscription position, resize, and reposition it. For more fun, you can add more animated elements. Resize and reposition them. Add a transition. Add an exit transition to the background. Adjust its duration. Add an exit transition for the 2 white backgrounds and adjust their duration. Add background music. Now you just need some background music. Finally, export the video. Let's see. Looks pretty cool. Click Export and upload to YouTube. Now the video is ready. Let's add the end screen on your YouTube video. Part 3. How to add an end screen. Step 1. Enter YouTube Studio. Open YouTube and click on your avatar. Click on YouTube Studio. Click on Content. Find the video you need to add an end screen to, and click on Details. Find End Screens and click on it. Step 2. Add the end screen card. You can add an end screen card in 3 different ways. Way number 1. Click on Plus Element. Way number 2. Click on the plus on the timeline. Way number 3. Add the template provided by YouTube. Step 3. Edit the end screen card. After selecting the end screen card, you can delete it by clicking on the Delete button and using the shortcut keys Delete and Backspace. Select the end screen card and choose Specific Video to add links to other videos on your YouTube channel. Now you can use the mouse to resize and reposition the end screen card. Please note that the end screen card cannot be moved beyond the transparent mask area, and there must be no overlap between the end screen cards. When the end screen card on the timeline turns blue, it means it is selected. Now you can move the mouse to the beginning or end of the end screen card to adjust its duration. You can also use the mouse to drag the end screen card to adjust its appearance point. Preview the video. If you like this template, you can check the Set this video as an end screen template button. Next time, when you add end screens on other videos, the system will add this template for you automatically. Finally, don't forget to save the operation. Step 4. Check the final video. If someone wants to watch this next video, just simply click on it, and it's going to take them right to this video. And that's it for today's video. If this video helped you out in any way, please leave a like and click on that subscribe button. Thanks for watching, and see you next time.